Hi, fifth graders. Welcome to our Google Classroom. For this week's lesson, we will be focusing on entry of the tumblers, measures 21 through 39. This is for the cello and bass students. And if you ever need another copy of this, be sure to check out our Google Classroom, go under the Classwork tab, and check out Sheet Music and Handouts so you can print out another one if you need it. So, let's get started with a warm-up. We'll do D major scale, and we will do half notes on each note. But before you start, check your posture, that your feet are flat, your back is tall, and you're seated at the edge of your chair. And for the cello students, make sure your cello is not too low, too high, or off to the side at some angle. You want it to be centered with your body and with good posture. Let's begin. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, before we go into working on the passage, there's some markings we should be aware of. So, underneath those two lines, you'll notice you'll see MP, MF, F, and double F. Those are called dynamics. Dynamics are the markings that tell you how loudly you should play, the volume. So I have written here a range of dynamics that you'll see. So if you notice F, lowercase f, that is forte, it means loud in Italian. And you have P, piano, which means soft in Italian. And you'll see that underneath the notes. And now there are other versions of these too. So if you notice at the top, there's a double F for fortissimo, a double P for pianissimo, I should say. So pianissimo, very soft. And then you have the in-between dynamics, medium loud and medium soft, that's a forte, that's a piano. So when we're working on these two lines, we want to be aware of the dynamics and how we can create them. There's one other marking that you'll see, and it is crescendo, C-R-E-S-C, and this means to gradually get louder. So let's talk about how to get these dynamics and the crescendo. So your volume is determined by your usage of the bow. Some important factors for that are your bow speed and your bow weight. Something else that will naturally contribute to both of these things is the part of the bow you're in. So the lower half, especially the closer it is to the frog, the heavier the bow is, and you'll naturally get more weight. And you want a lot of weight for a loud, powerful sound. The upper half, and especially close to the tip, lighter part of the bow, so you'll get a softer sound because you have less weight. So, just to demonstrate this a little bit, if we were to play the beginning at measure, let's start 27. If you're going to play soft, you're going to be in the upper half of the bow, and not using too much bow as well. So you don't have too much weight or too much speed. Now, let's demonstrate. Fortissimo, lower half, lots of weight, lots of speed. So there's a good amount of dynamic range in these two lines, and when we practice this, we want to make sure we really make it clear so people listening can hear the dynamic difference. So let's start at measure 21, and for practice, let's count the rest. You want to be sure that as you're counting the rest, that you're getting ready for the upcoming part and you don't lose your concentration. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. you can use this recording and you can play along with this. So you can figure out how well you're keeping the rhythm, and also to keep track of your notes, and especially in this case, how well you're doing the dynamics and how clear you can make them to the listener. So what I'd recommend is practicing this by yourself without recording sometimes. And then make sure you are in a good shape. And then play it again with the recording and to see how you're doing. And once you feel like you've gotten it the best you can, then you can record yourself and submit it as an assignment. So, happy practicing. I hope you're staying happy, healthy, and safe. And I will see you again later.